Have you ever spent hours designing a flyer in Canva only for all to still look amateur or somehow? The truth is, professional flyers follow a simple design process. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a clean professional flyer in Canva from start to finish, even if you are a complete beginner. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I share Canva tutorials, graphic design tips, and content creation hacks to help beginners design like a pro. Let's jump right into Canva. You've opened your Canva right here and you click on create design. Let's click on create. In the search button right here, you type flyer. Then you click search. Always start with the correct size. A flyer designed for printing should use flyer dimensions, while social media flyer should use the social media dimensions. So the next step, you can search for a template. Let's search for business flyer. Now, here are the different templates of business flyer that we have searched for on Canva. One thing you should note that all these templates, not all of them are free. If you are a beginner starting Canva recently, make sure that when you want to select any template, select the templates that are free, not the one that has a car on there, because if you choose the one with the car on there, you're able to download with watermark. But if you want to use any pro element on Canva, you have to subscribe to the Canva Pro, and when you check the link in the description, you will see the link to have access to Canva Pro. Now we search for business flyer. You can always search for any other flyer on Canva. So you can always search for church flyer, event flyer, restaurant flyer, sales flyer. There are different kinds of templates that you can search for on Canva, and always choose a simple template as a beginner. Don't choose a template with too many elements. Simplicity always wins. So let me choose this one, this business workshop. Okay, here is one of the business flyer. When you choose a template like this, the first thing you need to do, you have to rename the template. And how can you rename the template? All you have to do is you click on these three icons at the top right here at the top right here of the template. Then you click on here where they wrote black and blue professional business flyer. So you change the name. So after you have done that, you go back, and like I've explained in my other video, that you make sure that your elements, your design are always aligned to each other. When you are editing this template, make sure that everything aligns with each other from the beginning to the call to action of each flyer that you are working on. When someone sees your flyer, they should immediately know what is the most important. Like this flyer, we can see the business workshop as the heading, and we also have the sub-heading, which is strategic planning and goal settings in the corporate environment. We have the body of the text, which shows the topic 1, topic 2, and the call to actions. So your headline should be visible from across your flyers. And also, when you are using a font, use two only fonts. Use two only fonts. The bold font for the heading, like this business workshop, you can see the fonts they use. When I click on it, you click on the font. They use the purpose bold. Well, you can see when you go down to the format, when you scroll forward to format, you can see that they click on B, which make it bold. So make use of maximum of 2 fonts when you are designing your flyers. Bold font for the heading and clean font for body text, and you don't need to bold that one. Using too many fonts make your flyer look unprofessional. And if you want to edit design, just click on each text and you click on edit to edit it to your own right. So you click on each text, the pictures, click on it, click on replace. You either import the pictures for your gallery or you use the Canva stock photos. The background, if you want to change the color, just click on any color, then you come down to the color right here, you scroll up using that arrow, you choose any color. Let me choose this one, or this is just for sample. You choose any color, and when you are choosing a color on your design, make sure your colors combine primary, secondary and the accent color. We can all see from this design, we have the white color, we have the background for the black, and we also have the yellow color. Make sure that at least 3 maximum colors on your design. Most professional brands use only a few colors. And when you are adding your images, upload a sharp images. Don't use the blurry images. A great design can still fail if the image quality is poor. If the image quality is not good, a great design can still fail. So you can always check images from the Canva stock photos or any images you are importing from your gallery. Make sure that they are very sharp images, and use white space. When you are customizing your template, use white space before you download it. Make sure there is a breathing, leave a breathing space in between your elements on your design. Don't let them jam packed together like this. Make sure you leave a breathing space. There should be a white space in between the text or your design, and make sure everything aligns together. Like I explained earlier, make sure everything aligns together, because alignment is one of the easiest way to instantly improve your design. Conclusion: always add a call to action. We add call now, register today, order now, visit us today. You can see from this slide, you can see register now. They added the number and the website. So make sure you add the call to actions to your design. And when you are done with your design, you click on this icon at the top right here, the last icon at the top, to export your design. When you click on it, you click on download. And you make sure your design is in PNG, unless maybe it's for printing. That's where you are going to choose a PDF printing. So when you leave it as PNG and then you click on download, you can actually increase the size. It depends on your choice, but the size is already there. Then you click on download. And that is how to create a professional flyer in Canva from start to finish. And which of these tips was your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification, because I post Canva tutorials every 2 days. Thank you.